Hi students, welcome to Evershine Coaching Center. Myself Faisal sir here. Dear students, today we are discussing few important questions which carries 3 or 4 marks for your SSLC board exam. I am very thankful for Mr. V.D. Dodamani. He is the assistant teacher MDR school Nidashesi. Sir has helped this material to get prepared to face the upcoming board exam. I am very thankful for sir to making this wonderful video, notes for our students. Just I am forwarding these notes for all our students. So please you can just utilize these notes to get a very good result. Let's begin. The first question. What was the reasons and results of Battle of Plassey? Children, you can just go through these answers. Next. Explain the reason and results of Battle of Buxar. Explain First and Second Anglo-Maratha War. Describe First and Second Anglo-Mysore War. Explain Third and Fourth Anglo-Mysore War. Explain the administration and political reasons for 1857 revolt. Explain the economic and military reasons for 1857 revolt. What are the reasons for the failure of 1857 and illustrate the reasons of the war? Here we can see reasons for the failure and what are the results. Both are there. Differentiate between the Zamindari system and Riyatwari system. Educational reformation and their impact of British education system in India. Describe the Third Anglo-Mysore War and their results. Explain subsidiary alliance and doctrine of lapse. What are the differences of moderates and radicals? Write about Brahma Samaj and Aligarh movement. Explain Narayana Guru Dharma, Paripalana Yogam and Pariyar. How the Prarthana Samaj and Satyashodak Samaj helps in social reformation movements. Write the reasons and results of First World War. Write how February Revolution and October Revolution helps in the European Revolution. Describe the formation of Lenin and reformation of Stalin. Explain the reasons for Second World War and their results. Describe the Cold War and their consequences. How the Himalaya and Northern Plain helps the Indian. Explain the differences of Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. Differences of Western Coast and Eastern Coast. Importance of Deccan Plateau and Coastal Plain. What are the differences of well irrigation and canal irrigation? Differentiates the alluvial soil and black soil. Differentiate between these both. What are the meanings of desert soil and mountain soil? What are the effects of soil erosion and soil conservation? What is called as evergreen forest and deciduous forest? What are the causes for destruction of forest and importance of conservation? What are the reasons for energy crisis and their remedies? What are the causes and problems of overpopulation? What are the ports on the west and ports on the east? What are the reasons for flood and measures to control? What are the reasons for coastal erosion and measures to control? What are the reasons for earthquake and measures to control? What are the reasons for unemployment and measures to control? What are the effects of corruption and measures taken to control it? What are the effects of communalism and their precautionary measures? Describe terrorism and their measures. Explain the aims and factors of Indian foreign policy. Explain the Indo-Pak relationship and Indo-Russia relationship. Explain the Indo-China relationship and Indo-USA relationship. Differentiate between organized labor and unorganized labors. Differentiate between paid work with unpaid work and mob with mob violence. What are the reasons for child labor and their remedies? How the child marriage affected the society? What are the measures to control it? What are the reasons for child trafficking with remedial action? How different of savings account are from current account? What are the types of bank and types of accounts? Discuss characteristics and functions of bank. Illustrate the characteristics and functions of an entrepreneur. Name the financial and promotional organization to promote entrepreneurship. Explain qualitative and quantitative credit control measures. What are the factors and characteristics of globalization? What are favorable and non-favorable of globalizations? What are the aims and functions of WTO, World Trade Organization? What are the reasons for consumer exploitation and consumer protection? Explain the importance and goals of public finance. I hope you all have understood these videos. If you have liked this video, please do not forget to comment, share, subscribe and like this channel. And once again I am thankful for all the senior teachers and our resource persons to making these wonderful videos to help our students to face this upcoming board exam. Thank you sir, thank you teachers, and thank you my dear friends and students to watching this video. Thank you. Wish you all the best of luck. Do well.